There's just something about metal. The weight, the texture, the way it commands attention when the light hits it just right. We're proud to bring that tactile elegance and material authenticity to one of our most celebrated offerings, the Horizon Keypad, now available in real metal finishes. These aren't just new colors. These are precision crafted, cooled to the touch, and designed to elevate your home with materials that mirror its sophistication. Whether you're looking for the warm glow of brushed brass, the timeless elegance of dark nickel, the rich depth of dark bronze, or the modern edge of brushed black, Horizon delivers 4 new finishes designed to complement your unique design story. And of course, all the features that define Horizon are still here. The smooth, satisfying button feel, personalized engravings, and adaptive backlighting that responds to its environment. Now with the new collection of metal finishes, Horizon brings control that looks as refined as it performs. To learn more, visit us at crestronhome.com.